Wow. Can you believe this car is a 28 model?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
No. What I meant was, can you believe this car used to be a 28 model? It is now a popular trend in Nigeria to kit, upgrade, and facelift older generation cars to look like it's just been shipped outside the box. This is a working alternative to buying a brand new model of a car, as consumers ask the basic questions: why buy the latest model when I could easily facelift my late model car to look, feel, and sound the same? So before you make the mistake of buying a 28 model in place of a 2018 model, I have taken the liberty of putting together 7 cars that are mostly kitted and upgraded in Nigeria. Hi, I'm Oluwatobi Jethro and welcome to my channel. Without further ado, let's dive straight into the video. The Toyota Camry is one of the most facelifted car models in Nigeria. The 2007 and 2008 model of the Camry can be upgraded to look like the 2009, 2010, and 2011 models. It can also be facelifted to look slightly like the 2015 Lexus ES350. The Camry upgrade kits are plentiful and are quite cheap to acquire. The kits include the front and rear bumper, headlights and tail lamp, new design grills mostly with the Lexus signature grill shape, fog lamps, and fully redesigned car logo. The price of the upgrade kit varies and depends on the car model year. Upgrading your Camry is a pretty good deal and sure would massively improve the general look of the car. Cars of the same generation are one of the easily upgraded and facelifted models. A perfect example is the W212 Mercedes-Benz. The 4th generation E-Class W212 2010 can be upgraded and facelifted to look like the 2016 W212 E-Class. This is because the 4th generation W212 E-Class shares the same chassis but different exterior and interior design. The upgrade involves majorly the exterior general design, which includes lights, bumper, and grille. So take note, your new nice looking mech might just be facelifted. Frontline the Toyota full-sized SUV market, the Land Cruiser and Land Cruiser Prado is loved by Nigerians for their boldness, ruggedity, toughness, and Toyota's general reliability heritage. Whereas facelifting and upgrading a Land Cruiser and Land Cruiser Prado has become a norm to Nigerians, as this is also one of the easiest facelifted car models. The Land Cruiser and Land Cruiser Prado models has the same frame chassis from the 2010 model year, which makes facelifting quite easy, as not very much is required to facelift these babies. A new set of lights, new grills, bumper, exhaust high clips, and side modes would easily do the trick. But trust me, upgrading and facelifting the Toyota Land Cruiser and Land Cruiser Prado would also massively improve the look of the car. This Lexus SVPA is one of Nigeria's most desired full-sized luxury SUVs. It is ultimately quite similar to the Land Cruiser and Land Cruiser Prado. The LX and the GX is also one of the most upgraded car models in Nigeria. The Mercedes-Benz G-Class can be referred to as the king of facelifting and upgraded cars in Nigeria. This is because the G-Wagon has maintained the same chassis, design, and look since its inception in 1979. G-Wagon is one of the longest running generation car models with the same design until it was fully redesigned in 2018, which means the 2002 model could easily be facelifted and upgraded to look like the 2018 model year G-Class, which is absolutely insane. G-Class upgrade is really popular in Nigeria as upgrade kits are very easy to come by, but mind you, they do not come cheap. Just like every other car on this list, the price of the G-Class upgrade kit varies with the model year. So before you buy that flashy car, make sure you ask the dealership the right questions and a thorough pre-purchase check is carried out. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do make sure you subscribe to the channel and also turn on the notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.